My dear friends, life is a journey as we know. And in this journey we meet lots of people. මේ ජීවිත ගමනේදී අපි උඟක් අයව මුණ ගැහෙනවා. And more importantly, some of them are very close to our heart. And there are two people, the father and the mother. They are very close to our heart. අපේ දෙමව්පියන් අපේ හදවත ඉතාම කිට්ටුයි මේ ගමනේදී. So I looked at the father and the mother and I have joined these two, which I call it the FM channel, father mother channel. Very very important channel. And it is through this channel the children get a lot of messages. And the children are able to understand life messages through this particular channel. But what's happening now? Bit of a sad situation. At home, all other TV channels are working. Lot of channels are available. But the most important channel, FM channel, is not clear. We try to get a better visual, but the picture is not coming in. මේ FM channel එක තමන්ගේ කුඩා නිවසේදී අර ආකාරයෙන් ක්‍රියා කරේ නැත්නම් ඒ දරුවන්ට ඒ පණිවිඩය ලැබෙන්නේ නැහැ. The children are not getting that particular message. And I have also seen in some home, not only we are not getting a better picture, the signals are not there. The father and mother are not in talking terms. Some are having only 3 bars of signal, some 2 bars. I remember my younger days, when the phone rings at home, we all run inside to answer the phone. And now when the phone rings, we all come out of the house to answer the phone. That's the current situation. Sometimes we see in our home, it is not only the FM channel is not working, signals are not there, and we also see that it is completely cut off. Now the FM channel is cut off means, let us see what's going to happen. First, the life manual, we don't get one. We have manual for our mobile phones, washing machines, fridge, you get a manual. But where is the manual for the life? And the only way we can get the manual is if you look at the M, and that which I call it the mum. It is through the mum we get the manual. It is such a beautiful manual where it gives us the entire life instructions. අපේ ජීවිතේ ඕන කරන සෑම දෙයක්ම තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ manual එකේ තමයි. And that manual I call it the mum manual. But what happened now? This manual is not utilized. Unfortunately for mother M, we use it as a machine. Most of the time it's in the kitchen. Washing, cooking, cleaning, it's all machine. It's not a machine, my dear. It is to do with manual life instructions. Second one, how do you get the life direction? And the direction comes through the D, and that's a dad. He has to hold hands and show us which direction to go. And no sooner the manual is not functioning and there is no direction, we run into another problem. All children are confused which way to go. Lot of children come and talk to me. Exam වෙලා මට කතා කරලා ආනවා. Uncle කොයි දිශාවටද යන්නේ? මම මොන වගේ exam එකද කරන්නේ? I don't know what to do. කොයි වගේ රැකියාවද මම තෝරගන්නේ? They don't know about it. Why does the direction doesn't come? Because the manual has not been functioning and direction is not there. Of course, nowadays technology, අමෙකනා ගාව තියෙනවා අපි GPS කියනවා. අපි කොහමද යන්න ඕනි කියලා. But the best GPS is called good parent support. And that's the best GPS we can ever get. The good parent support. If the parents, the FM channel is working, the parents are together, that will give us a lot of support. So in our homes, we have to enhance the GPS. And what GPS? Good parent support. When you look at the family, which comprise the father and mother and the children, the word family itself gives a meaning. What's the meaning? Father and mother says, I love you. And no sooner I serve the word love, ඒ love කියන වචනේ භාවිත කරපු ගමන් අපේ මතකට එන්නේ chocolates, candles and flowers. My dear father lived up to more than 8 years. I can't remember a single day where my father called my mom honey or gave chocolates or candles or flowers, because the real love was inside the heart, because it's an inner feeling. Unfortunately, we have brought love into materialistic world. It is not to do with materials, it's an inner one. If you look at the word love, the L, what does L stands for? L stands for leverage. What is leverage? Balancing. You have to be a lever, and that's how the love can survive. How can love flourish? It's on the leverage. So here we are. FM channel must work, GPS must work, and there will be love in the family. Now if this is not there, this child has to go through very rugged road in life. It's not a normal highway, it's a very rugged road. So there is no mom, no dad, no GPS. We come across children are in confusion. And when there is no direction, you end up in depression. And when there is no manual, you don't make men out of it. You just ensure that you're going through life in a very robotic mode. So in this video, we are going to leave with you some humble thoughts. What are humble thoughts? Last video we spoke about on Mother's Day, MOTHER. What's the role of a mother? Today, just to share with you what stands for FATHER. The first one, F in the father, we think is to do with finance. I come across a lot of parents and they have been telling me, I give the monthly money, I've been giving them all this. So he has become an ATM machine. Every month, giving the money. It's not to do with finance for F. It is to do with futuristic. What is futuristic? Looking at the future, how should I plan my family? How should I work towards it? What are the things I should provide? It's a futuristic view. And no sooner you have the futuristic one, second one comes into play, and that's the A. And what is the A? The father is supposed to make allocation. And what's the allocation? Time allocation. Lot of people complain. From the time dad came, he's on the mobile phone at home. So my dear dad, please ensure there should be a diary note for time allocation for the children. Time allocation for the spouse. In fact, you can mark it as QFT. What stands for QFT? Quality family time. In our diary, we have marked various other commitments, various other meetings. Please look at your diary and see how many QFTs are there. And if QFTs are not there, we are not allocating sufficient time. So we have finished F and A. T becomes very important. It's a duty of the dad to transform. Children are born pure. Children are born in such a manner you have to transform them into noble citizens. They must become good citizens of this country, and to transform that, you need to make proper allocation. Please remember, Dad, you got a daughter, somebody's daughter came to you as a wife. He came just as a daughter. It's a duty of the father, the husband, to convert the daughter into a distinct personality. It should be a unique one. The daughter who came in a mere way should be a very distinct one, and that's where the transformer comes in. Now we have the situation where the father has to handle situation. You have to face problem. You cannot hide away. You can't run away. There are a lot of problems will come in, I think. Schooling, housing, health, finance, all these you have to face, and for that you have to build the competencies to handle the situation. And no sooner you handle it, you become a role model, which I call it the example. Children are looking all over. Who should be my role model? Whom should I follow? Because if the dad has been handling situation, dealing with the wife in such a manner, that becomes a very noble example for the children to follow. The way you speak to the spouse will be how the son will handle his spouse, and similarly the daughter will handle the husband, and that's a role model that we require. So if you performed in a futuristic manner, looking at the future, given the time allocation, become a transformer, handle situation, be a good example, now my dear dad, you become a respectful person, and they will recall with gratitude. I come across a lot of parents saying the child doesn't give me respect and they're not gratitude. The reason being, you have to have the other key components to achieve the respect. Respect is something doesn't come automatically, you have to achieve it with gratitude. So my dear children, I have given you the message to the father, but I like to end it with the message to the children. Live your life in a manner where the mother will say, my toil was not in vain. Tamange දෙමව්පිය කන්නෝනේ මේ දරුවගෙන් මට ප්‍රයෝජනයක් ලැබුණා. මේක නාස්ති උනේ නෑ කියලා. Because the mother has gone through a lot of toil that should not be in vain. And the father must say, my dedication, my sacrifice has given me dividends. What's a dividend? A noble son for this country, where he is able to be a good husband, a good brother, and moreover, he is able to become another good dad.